过年好! I'm so happy today is Chinese New Year. This is the first time I'm celebrating New Year far from my family and outside of China. In Chinese tradition, people usually eat dumplings on New Year's Eve and for the first breakfast of the New Year. I wanted to make dumplings and want to share with you how to make dumplings. So you also can listen the music. Actually, that is a Chinese CCTV festival show. That's a CCTV 春晚. You also can search from YouTube to watch it. Most of Chinese, they will enjoy eating together tonight and also will watch this show together. You know, maybe eat some fruits and nuts and talk. And also parents will prepare the meat, everything to ready for the dumplings. Then we can one side watch the show and one side just making dumplings together. But now I'm alone, so I just need to make everything myself and to enjoy it. Okay, let's focus on dumplings.
职校志愿者谢斌荣，欢迎您，在这妈妈上大学的刘希萌，你好。还有黄山迎客松手松人吴小春，欢迎您，欢迎各位的到来，也向你们表达我们的敬意。那接下来就让我们有请刘希萌作为代表给全国人民拜个年，好不好？
祝大家新春快乐，阖家幸福。好，谢谢。此时此刻，万家灯火共团圆，但有这样一些人，依然默默坚守自己的站位，为祖国、为人民守岁。他们说，除夕夜有军人守护，请安心过年。
今天我们邀请到这些最可爱的人当中的代表，唱出他们捍卫和平的铁血担当，唱出强军有我、决胜未来的豪迈誓言。